Good morning to Varinal Mazalia. This is Pradyumna and here are my team members. Together we have made this the last steel basket. Now, I have ideated the entire thing. I have made a lot of thought processes regarding this idea. Now, each of the team members will explain what they have contributed in this project.
My name is Arunaksha Dubey, and I have prepared the physical presentation of this. It includes the problem, the proposed solution, and the flowchart, which explains the how the solution works.
So my name is Abang Bhagwal and I have made a diagram related to smart rectangular barrier system in which battery, frame, solar panel, sensor, buzzer and barrier is located. My name is Atul Pawar and I have made the miniature train station model which will present the whole light. Now, before I show the problems here, let me show you a small. You can see a man passing the railway track. Now, he is luckily safe. But 4,700 plus couldn't survive in Mumbai
In the
in the year 2023.
This is a very severe problem. In 2020, more than 4,700 people lost their life due to suicide and illegal track crossing attempts in the Mumbai local way. There are some of the headlines from the newspapers, and there is the proposed solution which would help solve it.
Now, the proposed solution involves a solar panel. It is sensor based and automatically rises when the trains leave the railway station, and it opens again when the train arrives at the railway station again. So how this works? Let me show you the product. Here's the solution. This project, we are going to use the linear actuators, which according to these sensors rises up according to the speed of the train, which is computed by the sensors. Now let me show you a demo. So when it enters the railway station, the barrier comes down, allowing the passengers to depart to come inside the trains. And when the train departs the railway station again, the barrier comes back to its original position. Now there's a question. If the train doesn't stop, then what will happen to the barrier? In that case, the sensors would immediately detect the speed of the train and keeps the barrier shut in its original position, and which it will not prompt anything else. So safe travels. This does not allow trespassers to pass the tracks illegally. Next, we have a dedicated flowchart regarding the idea. So the ultrasonic sensors between the tracks will detect the speed using dual sensor logic. If the train speed exceeds a certain limit, the barrier keeps closed. If no, if the train doesn't stop, the Arduino confirms that the train is at rest, and the people accordingly, people if the train stops, accordingly people would reach their trains and place and have safe travels. And if the barrier that just keeps and then there is no stoppage of trains, the barrier would stay at its original position. All of this thing would be triggered by the linear actuator, which I showed you just now. Now, after all this, you would say, what is the point of this idea? Because it is already present in the metro station. Metro cities do have platform screeners, which I completely agree. But this is for rural India, where tracks are still open, and people who are illiterate, who are not educated much, lose their lives. And hence, this is an impactful idea. Thank you all to all my team members and to all the people who have patiently listened to this idea. A humble thank you.